This Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill with Versastand is an exceptional addition to any grilling enthusiast's arsenal, especially for those who face restrictions on charcoal or gas grilling. This compact, powerful, and versatile electric grill offers a superb grilling experience without the mess and danger associated with traditional grilling methods. In this review, we delve into the features, benefits, and overall performance of the Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill, ensuring you have all the information needed to make an informed purchase. Why you should buy the Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill with Versastand. Compact and portable design. Powerful 500-watt heating element. 145 square inch grilling area. Telescoping stand for adjustable height. Easy to set up and store. No assembly required. Environmentally friendly electric power. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill is its compact size and portability. Weighing just 17 pounds, this grill is designed with a pronounced briefcase-style carrying handle, making it easy to transport and store. The grill's dimensions 22 by 11.8 by 17.6 inches ensure it can fit into small spaces, making it ideal for balconies, patios, or small outdoor areas. Whether you're planning a picnic or a camping trip, this grill is your perfect companion. The Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill is equipped with a powerful 500-watt heating element that delivers 5 120 B2s of heat. This ensures that the grill heats up quickly and cooks food evenly. The porcelain enameled coated grill grate provides a 145 square inch grilling area and ample space to cook up to 8 burgers, 8 steaks, 6 to 10 chicken breasts, or 4 pounds of fish at once. This makes it perfect for family meals and small gatherings. The Versastand feature of this grill is a game changer. The telescoping stand allows you to adjust the grill to 3 different heights, providing a comfortable grilling experience regardless of location. The stand is easy to set up and pack away, collapsing neatly under the grill for storage. This innovative design enhances the grill's portability and convenience, allowing you to grill anywhere, anytime. As an electric grill, the Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill plugs into any standard electric outlet, eliminating the need for charcoal or propane. This feature not only makes it environmentally friendly, but also reduces the hassle and mess associated with traditional grills. The grill ships ready to go with no assembly required, allowing you to start grilling immediately. The lid latch and spill-resistant drip tray further enhance its user-friendly design. The Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill comes ready to use straight out of the box. There's no complicated assembly process, meaning you can get grilling right away. This ease of use is one of the many reasons why this grill is highly recommended for those who want a hassle-free grilling experience. The Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill excels in delivering a quick and even cooking experience. The powerful 500-watt heating element ensures that the grill reaches optimal cooking temperature rapidly. The porcelain enameled grate distributes heat evenly across the grilling surface, ensuring that your food cooks uniformly. Whether you're grilling burgers, steaks, chicken, or fish, you can expect consistent and delicious results every time. This electric grill is a perfect solution for places where gas and charcoal grills are prohibited, such as apartments, condos, RVs, and tiny homes. Its compact size and portability make it an excellent choice for those who love to grill but have limited space. The grill is also perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want to enjoy grilled food during camping trips, picnics, or beach outings. After your grilling session, the Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill can be easily stored away. The telescoping legs fold under the grill, and the compact design means it can fit into a drawer or a small cabinet. The briefcase-style handle makes it easy to carry the grill from place to place, ensuring that you can enjoy grilled food wherever you go. Cleaning the Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill is a breeze. The porcelain enameled grill grate prevents food from sticking, making it easy to clean after each use. The spill-resistant drip tray catches any excess grease and can be easily removed and cleaned. This low-maintenance design ensures that you can spend more time enjoying your food and less time worrying about cleanup. Customers who have purchased the Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill rave about its performance and convenience. Many highlight the grill's quick heating time, even cooking surface, and portability as key advantages. Users appreciate the telescoping stand, which allows for grilling at a comfortable height, and the easy setup and storage. Overall, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive, with many recommending this grill to others. Conclusion: the Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill with Versastand is an excellent choice for those seeking a convenient, portable, and powerful grilling solution. Its compact design, powerful heating element, and versatile stand make it perfect for a variety of settings, from small apartments to outdoor adventures. The ease of use, quick heating time, and even cooking surface ensure a delightful grilling experience every time. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient electric grill, the Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill is an investment worth making. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.